ओह सॉरी सॉरी मैम। यस ये ओके ओके, ये बैच ना मैं आपको शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ। ओके लाइक इस ये दूसरा बैच था, इसमें 5 क्लासेस हुई हैं। स्टूडेंट इज गुड इन स्क्रैच। ओके तो मतलब तस्मिया की तबीयत खराब हो गई है, तो वो अभी कंटिन्यू नहीं कर रहे हैं कुछ टाइम के लिए। तो और बाकी वो 9:30 वाला मैं आपको चेक करके बता दूंगी, वो न्यू बैच। हाँ वो दूसरा है, हाँ वो मैं पेरेंट्स कंफर्म कर रहे हैं ना, तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। ओके ओके, थैंक यू मैम, बाय बाय। Hello. Yeah, hi sir. Anu this side from Codeyoung. Sir, like this. Yeah, hi. The student has a class now. So is he joining? Okay, sir. Okay. You need my help to log in? Okay, sir. Sure.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. Hi. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear.
Okay. Is this the student?
Sorry?
Are you the student?
Yeah,
This.
yeah, yeah. The student, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hi. My name is Anu. I am the class operations manager assigned for your batch. So just give me 2 minutes, and I'll just share my screen. I will take 5 to 10 minutes for onboarding session. After that, mentor will join and she will take over the session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So my screen is visible to you.
No.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to share this one.
No, no.
Okay. Now it's visible to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so first of all, welcome to become the part of the Codeyoung. My name is Anu. As I mentioned, that I am the class operations manager assigned for your batch. So if you have any kind of query, you can just reach out to me. Okay, I'll just be there to solve your query as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So before we setting up your account, I would like to inform you that we are Codeyoung, an edtech organization providing coding classes to the kids of age to 5 to 17. And we are like the courses which we are providing is basically STEM organization accredited programs. And we have with us like 500 plus quality mentors with us. And on Google, like we have 4.7 star rating on Google. Okay.
Okay.
And like our session hosting platform is basically Sandbox. So you can just log in into Sandbox also. Okay, and just you can just make your projects over there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Code Olympics is basically every month we are just conducting some competitions like Code Olympics types, like some monthly hackathon also. You can just participate over there. Okay.
Okay.
So all these competitions regarding details we are just sharing in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so from there you can just log in,
Okay.
you can participate. Okay. And every month like we are conducting some code talks also.
Okay.
Okay, so
What's
coming
code
to the
talks?
code talks is basically any experienced man, like any experienced person will over there. Okay, and they're just you can just share your concerns or queries to that experienced man. You can just share, you can just ask questions to him. So it's kind of webinar something. Okay.
All right. Okay. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so can you please share your screen and
Yeah.
just show me your student portal, this one.
Yeah. How can you? Yes. All right.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, I'll stop.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, just go to the dashboard.
Honestly.
That's student portal one. Second one. Yep, this one. Okay. So like you can just check your today's class here. Okay, like on dashboard, today's class. You can just join your classes from here. And
Mhm.
like this is basically got a query means that if you have any kind of query, you can just reach out to me. Due to any reason I'm not responding or else that you're not able to connect me, so you can just write your query here and just submit it. Okay, so after that the concerned team will connect you and just try to help you. Okay, just try to solve your query as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, so your future classes you can just check in this tab, like my future classes. In calendar, you can also check like on which day the class is going to be scheduled.
Okay. Right.
Can you please scroll down?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is basically percentage bar, my progress. Percentage bar after attending each session, this part will unlock, this part, sorry, this progress bar will increase session by session. Okay, in
Okay.
badges, like you can just check how many batches you are just going to be earned and about your certification. Like after completion of the each level, this part will be unlocked automatically, and there is a button comes download. You can just click on that and just download your certificate from there also, and we are also mailed this certificate on your mentioned mail ID. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. uh, Scroll down please.
Mm.
Okay. So if any projects or any videos are given by mentor, so you can just upload your projects and videos from here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you please move to the resources part?
Hmm? Resources.
Yeah. Okay. Resources part is basically like after completion of the class, after 3 to 4 hours, the recording will be generated and uploaded there. So whenever you want to go through by recording, you can just go through by recording. Okay. And
Okay.
like if any files and any learning content will be uploaded by your mentor, so you can just check here, comes here and just check here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just go to the referral part.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to refer any of your friend, you can just let me know. So if you refer any of your friend and they will enroll with us, and there will be a successful enrollment, so you will be benefited with 80 GBP. Okay, for per referral.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to refer anyone, you can just let me know. I'll just share you the form. You can just fill that form. After that, the concerned team will connect to that person and just help them to enroll. Okay, so last one, subscription one.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to check your fee details, so just click on view detail,
Where?
view detail here, current course.
Current course view details. Yeah.
Yeah. So there is your all the payment regarding details are there. The due dates are there. Okay. So you can just check your payment details from here.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want to pay, you can just click on pay now button and just pay your installments from here.
Okay. Right.
Okay. And if you have any kind of query regarding payment, you can just reach out to me. I'll just be there to solve it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you please stop sharing?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's all about the student portal.
Mm-hmm.
You can just edit your profile also. And
Okay.
coming to the assessment part, like homework discussion will be there, recall test will be there. That whatever you're going to learn in your previous class, it will be recalled in the next class also. In class exercises, like various projects will be there, and multiple quizzes will be conducted by your mentor. And how can you parent track your progress report? So they will go through by students' performance report, or is that we are just conducting a parents teacher meeting also to the end of the course. Okay,
Okay.
so I think that it is here. Hi, ma'am. Can you please give a small introduction? Sorry. Hi, sir. Gaurav, sir. You're on mute. Sorry. You are on mute. Kindly unmute yourself. No, no, you're not audible, sir. You are on mute. Yeah, now it's audible.
Yes, yes. Okay. Hello, all. I am Gaurav, and I will be the mentor for this web development sessions. Okay. Apart from this, I have a work experience of around 11 years in teaching school kids. Okay. So I have a proficiency in web development as well as I also teach Python programming. Apart from these two programming languages, I am also proficient in programming languages like C, C++, Java. So that's all about me. And in these coming sessions, we are going to know each other in a better manner. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, that's it. And coming to the next part, like, yeah, after the class, you can just share your feedback to the WhatsApp group that how was the class, how was the onboarding session, how was the first class for you, just share all this, all these things to the group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so coming to the explanation part, like explanation matrix is basically the points of contact. So as I mentioned that I'll the first point of contact to you. So you can just reach out to me. And like due to any reason I'm not responding, so you can just raise a query from here.
Mm-hmm.
And third level is basically like you can just mail your concern on support.codeyoung.com. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So basically our class cancellation policy is if you want to cancel any class, you can just let us know 24 hours earlier, one day earlier. So in that situation, we will just reschedule the class according to mentors and your availability. And maximum you can just cancel 4 classes. We will just reschedule 4 classes. So whenever you want to cancel, you can just one day let us know one day earlier. Okay.
Okay.
And if there is any unplanned cancellation, like you did not inform us anything or any kind of thing, so in that situation, to the entire level one, like 48 session, we are just
Mm.
giving you only one compensatory class. So it's better that you can just inform one day earlier in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If there is any no-show is basically if you did not inform us anything, and if there is any emergency situation or kind of thing. So in that situation, we will also reschedule the class.
Okay.
Okay. So policy to pause the classes is basically if you want to go for a short vacation or something like that, you can just let me know 1 week earlier, so that I will just start the process to pause the classes from my side.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, the holiday calendar is basically we are following Indian holiday calendars. These days we are not going to work. So if you want to cancel in if there is any holiday from your side, any function or any kind of thing, you can just let us know one day earlier. So in that situation, we will also reschedule the class.
Okay.
And all the classes, like all the missed classes or rescheduling like all the missed classes or kind of thing, all the classes of automatically shifted to the end of the course. Okay, so don't worry, you won't miss any class.
Okay.
Okay, so referral policy, as I already mentioned you, that if you want to refer anyone, so you can just let us know one day earlier. You're from UK, so you will be benefited with 80 GBP per referral.
Nice.
Okay, so these are some FAQ. You can just read it once. After that, I'll continue.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, so this is our social media platform. So request you to follow that so that you will just get all the competitions regarding details on that
Okay.
page.
Okay.
Okay, that's all about it. It's all about onboarding session. So welcome to become of the coding and Codeyoung. Thank you. Okay, Gaurav sir, you can continue. Okay.
Yeah, I will continue from here.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye,
Yeah.
sir. Bye, Suchi
Thank
sir.
you. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. How do you say your name
Okay.
again?
Gaurav, my name is Gaurav.
Gaurav. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, can you just turn on your cam, sir?
Yeah. One second.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Hello. So you are the student, right?
Yeah.
So can you just give a brief introduction about yourself? Where are you from? In which grade you are studying? No, I am not. It is not audible to know.
Hello.
Yes, now it is audible.
My name is Tudisanongarlingam. I'm in year 8. I live in the UK, so right now it's like 5 o'clock.
Okay,
Um,
okay.
Go to Wharton High Secondary School. I do like coding because I'm into technology, and I wanted to learn about the software because I knew so much about the hardware. So that's
Yes,
why I
yes,
went
yes. So I forgot your grade. In which grade you are in higher secondary school, right?
year 8. Year 8.
You are in year 8. Correct, correct. Very good, very good. Super. So you are in UK, right? Great, great. So it is 5 a.m. there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. It's too early. Okay, I also wake up at this time in India. Means the students who are from US, right? So they usually take classes in the evening time. Okay, so that in when there is the evening time, we are having early morning, right? I start working from 3 a.m. Okay, but today I was not feeling well. I have a fever, so I wake up a bit late today.
Oh,
Okay,
is
and
it?
Monday is
Okay.
yes, 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 yes. So as this is a today, this is your first class, right? So I should not cancel that. We should meet up and we will discuss some more interesting thing. So this is the first time you are doing coding, or you have been gone through these things?
I have been doing coding a bit at school. I knew like the basics. I knew how what coding is. I knew the theory part, but I didn't actually know how to like use it and make it.
Understood, understood. So so we will be learning them in detail, right? So
Yeah.
this will be your level 1, right? So how many level you have booked for all the levels, right? Full web development, right? Very good, very good. Okay, sometimes your voice is not coming. Why so?
Yes, correct.
Yes. Speak little bit so that I will know whether it is coming or not.
Hear me?
Mm,
Hello?
no,
Hello?
sometimes it is coming, sometimes it is not coming. So you are using your default computer, my mic? Yes, yes. So you should use a headphone, okay? Headphone will be better for you. Do you have a headphone?
I don't have one like right now able to
Okay,
reach.
okay. You can arrange that in the next class. Okay, we will
Yeah, yeah.
manage in today's
Okay.
session. Okay, okay. So do you any idea about web development? Do you know what is web development is? So my voice is clear to you. I am completely audible to you.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, correct, correct. So any idea about web development? Anything you know about web development? Have you heard about this before?
Yeah, so basically, web development is where you use some aspects to be able to create something called a website where people don't have to download it and they can go on and do certain tasks easily without having to waste space.
Very good. So website. So and what is a website?
A website is something that you don't have to download and you can go on a web browser such as Google, Microsoft Edge, Firefox to go on to something and start doing something. For example, school homework, entertainment, or watching a movie.
Gaming, right? Watching games, watching. So last day actually England won, right? Do you watch cricket? You love cricket? Okay, okay, great. I also like cricket, right? I am a big fan of Joe Root. Okay, yes, 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 correct. So now you see what happens. So what we'll be doing, we'll be discussing about web development, right? So basically, if somebody asks you what is a website, then you have to tell like this: website is a collection of web pages, right? And then they are going to ask you again, then what is a web page? Correct. So web page is basically a collection of text, data. Okay, there will be some text, there will be some audios, there will be some images, there will be some videos, there will be some animations, right? So basically, it is a collection of all these stuffs, and if you will combine them, it becomes a web page. Okay, and if you will combine multiple web pages, it will become a website, right? Now the thing is that how we can create these web pages or websites. Okay, so you knew that to create a website, first of all, what we have to do, we have to create a web page, right? So the basic rule states that if you want to create a if you want to create a website, first of all, what you need to do, you need to create a web page. Now the thing is that how we will be able to create a web page. Okay. So a web page is created using basically created using three popular languages. Okay. One is known as HTML, second one is known as CSS, and the third one is known as
JavaScript.
JavaScript. Correct? Correct. So any idea about these three languages you know?
I know like bits, small bits.
Small bits no. So shall we go from the beginning or I will skip those things? That's what I want to know.
Keep
So
the
we will
beginning
start
bits.
from the beginning, very beginning, right? Okay. Apart from this, any other programming language knowledge?
Uh,
Okay, not an issue. So now the thing is that where we can write the codes. Okay, so there are multiple ways to write the codes. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be following. We can use two ways. Okay, so let me share my screen and I will explain this concept to you. Okay.
okay.
So is my screen visible to you?
Yeah, I can.
Good, very good. So you see, okay, wait. So you see, here comes a sandbox. Okay, we have got our in-house sandbox. Using this sandbox, we can also write some programs. Okay, then if I will go to this workbench, and here you will find the option of web development. Right? Can you see that? So if I will click on this web development, it will help me to write the web development program. Okay. So here you see there is HTML, there is CSS, and there is JavaScript. Okay. But sometimes what happens is a lot of classes are going on simultaneously. Right now we are having around 300 classes. Right now at 9:30 hours is 9:30 a.m. And what is your time there? 5:30,
Five.
right? 5 a.m. So at this moment we are having approximately 300 sessions going on currently. Okay. So what happens basically, the servers get stuck because the
Yeah,
same
yeah, yeah.
server we are using. So that's why I always recommend students to go for this one. Okay, this one is a very interesting one. We call it CodePen. Okay, these are all online editor. Try to remember two types of editor are there. Okay, one is known as online editor. After you are quite good in this online editor, then we will move to offline editor. Okay, We will
Okay.
learn how we can create our websites by offline medium. This is an online medium. Okay, you have to be connected to internet to work on these things. Okay, but
Okay.
in offline medium there is no need of internet. You can work it anywhere, anytime without internet also. Okay, so when you will open this code pen, this type of interface will appear. Actually, for you, this type of interface will appear. Your whenever you will open it first, this type of interface is going to appear. Okay. First of all, you have to register there. After that, this type of interface will appear. Okay.
I
Then what?
already have CodePen.
Very good. Then it's super. Then you have to go here, and I prefer this type of interaction because here I can see my web page, and here I can see my code, right? So this is my preferable way of writing the code. Okay. So you see here, first of all, we will discuss all the HTML part, then we will move to CSS, then we will move to the JavaScript. Okay. So today what I will show you the next 5 classes syllabus. Okay. Next 5 classes curriculum. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know what we are going to learn in the next 5 classes? Any idea about that? What we are going to learn in next 5 classes? Any idea about that? So I
No,
will
sir.
show you that. Yeah, okay, not an issue. I will show you that. Okay, don't worry. So
Okay.
in today's session, we will be discussing about, we have discussed all these things, what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we will be writing some program. Okay. And
Okay.
in the next session, in session 2, we will be discussing about HTML formatting, means how we can format, how we can make them little bit better, look little bit better. Then in the third session, what we will be discussing, we will be discussing about how we can make our text more beautiful. Okay, so a lot of things can be done using the text part, and we will discuss that one. Okay, and after that session, in session 4, we will be discussing about a small project you have to do, and we will be learning how to create small projects. Okay, then in our fifth session, we will be learning about phrase text. Okay, how to create phrases. Okay, these all will be taught to you in detail. So I am just giving you a brief idea of the first 6 classes. Okay, that means it will be 2 weeks for you, correct?
Yeah.
After that, we will move for HTML images and tables. Okay, so this will be our way of taking the classes. Okay, so today's class we will learn about basic HTML commands, some of the basic HTML commands. After that, we will move forward and we will try to learn some new things in day by day. Okay, will that be fine? Okay, so do you know what is the first thing you have to write in HTML?
You have to write the HTML tag.
No, first of all, you have to write exclamation doc type HTML. Okay, you can skip that also. So we will skip that and we will start with HTML, correct? So we will write HTML, then we will go here, we will also close this HTML, right? So what are these known as? What we call them? Whatever I have written in these brackets, what we call them? Okay, they are known as tags. Okay, remember this keyword. They are known as what? They are known as
Tags.
tags. Tags are of 2 types. Okay, and basically what are tags? Tags are the instructions which are understood by web browser. Okay, so whenever we write something like this, and whenever this web browser is going to read this content, then it will understand that these are HTML tags. Okay, tags are of 2 types. Okay, one is known as pair tag and another one is known as singular tag. Okay, so when I'm calling about pair tag, what does that mean? That means the tag should have an opening bracket and the tag should have a closing one, right? So
Yeah.
how I will know which one is opening and which one is closing? If some
Opening
tag
one
has,
doesn't have a slash. The closing one
very
has a
good,
slash.
superb, superb. So if something is having a slash, we call it a closing one, and if something is not having a slash, we will call it a opening one. Very good. But in case of singular tag, there is no need of opening or closing, right? So some of the example of this singular tag is BR tag. You might have heard about this BR tag. There is paragraph tag. Okay, some person use this paragraph tag as pair tag also. It is allowed, but actually paragraph is a singular tag. Okay, there is one more tag, we call it IMG tag. Okay, to insert images. So these are all singular tag. They do not come with slash. Okay, and most of the tags are paired tag. Understood now?
Yeah.
So we will be using different types of tags and we will be learning how to use them. Okay, next, the HTML is divided into 2 parts. Okay, the first part is known as the head part The first part is known as the head part. And what is there inside the head? Do you know? What we can basically keep inside the head? And the second part is known as the body part. See, what is there in our head? What we have got in our head? Tell me first.
Brain.
Then yes, we have got a brain, right? So what is the job of that brain?
Give instructions to the body.
It coordinates the whole body, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Similarly, in our head, what we can keep? We can keep the name of the web page. The name of the web page is known as a title. Okay. What it is known? It is known as the title of the web page. Okay. So here in CodePen, we can directly create the title here using this untitled option. Okay. So I will go to this untitled. I will write session 1 intro to HTML. What's your name? I will write the short name.
To this one.
To this one, right? Yes, to this one, correct. So I will also keep a track of this. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to create these files. Okay. Then you have to save them. Then you have to save them. So after some classes, what I will do? I will ask you to upload some things. Okay. All the classes data has to be uploaded. Okay. But we will do that in one class only, not an issue. So try to save them in CodePen. So you see what happens when you save them in CodePen. If you will go to your work, you will find everything related to that. You see, I have created so many pen here. Okay, I have created so many pen. So today I created this one, right? Right now I am into this one. So if I will click on this, it will take me to that one. Okay, that's all. It is quite easy. Okay. So what will happen when something has to be added? We will just click on this. We will just click on this link and we will upload that. Okay. So whoever will use this link, they can also see that website there. Okay. So inside the head, basically we use a title tag. So I will use the title tag. So what happens when we use a title tag, right? So when we use a title tag, whatever we write inside this title, it will appear in my title bar. Do you know what is a title bar?
Title bar is something at the beginning of the HTML web page.
Yes, you see, you see whatever is written here is the title of the web page, right?
Yeah.
This is the title of, you see it is written post attendee Zoom. Can you see that?
Yeah.
These are visible to you or not? So you see, this is known as the title. Okay. So whenever this page is created, they have been given a title. This page is page has a title of bootcamp. Can you see that? Yes. So we can give some title here also, right? And once I will save this. So you see here, there is a conflict because I have given a title as intro to HTML to this one, right? But you see here, can you see the title here? Okay, but what I have done here, I have tried to change the title to HTML intro, right? I cannot hear you again.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so this is about title part. Okay. Next, we will discuss about the body. So inside the body, whatever we will write, it will be displayed here. Okay, but in CodePen, you write anywhere, it will be displayed. Okay. You write anywhere, it will be displayed. Okay, but because but we have to follow a strict rule. So what I will do, I will try to write something inside the body. Okay, so if I will write hello, it will be printed here. Okay, so you see the hello get printed, right? But we will use some tags to print this hello. So basically there are multiple tags which can be used. Okay, can you give me some name of tags which we can use in writing this in creating a HTML page? Not here, not audible.
P tag.
Paragraph tag. Okay, what is that? It is known as a paragraph tag. Okay. Suppose I want to create some paragraph. I want to write a paragraph. I will be using a paragraph tag. Very good. What other tag you know?
H1 tag.
Yes. So first of all, we will learn about those heading tags. Okay. So basically, there are some heading tags. Okay. So what is the job of this heading? So if you want to give some heading in a web page, we will use this H1 tag. Okay. So in total, how many heading tags are there? So there are around approximately 6 heading tags available. Okay. So please wait. Just I am drinking some water. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. So you see, in total there are 6 heading tags. Okay. Highest is the H1 tag and lowest is the H6 tags. Okay. It will start with H1, then you will have H2, then you will have H3, then you will have H4, then you will have H5, and the last one will be H6. Okay. The largest one will be this one. This one is the largest one, and this one is the smallest one, right?
Yeah.
Smallest, largest mean the size will decrease. Okay. The
Yeah,
font
yeah.
which I will be using, that size will get decreasing. Okay. So it will start with H1 and it will end with H6. So these are all the heading tags. So let me use a heading tag like this. Okay. Okay. So basically, let's create a web page. Small web page we will create today, and what we will do inside the web page, we will try to create a web page about you. Okay. So first of all, I will write your name. Okay. Sorry. H1, or do you want to create some different web page?
No, it's okay. This is all right.
Okay. So anything we have to do, we are just learning, right? Okay. So let me write your name to be shared. Is it correct?
No, sir, you have to take away the second line.
Sun, right? It is Sun. Okay, sorry. So are you from Sri Lanka or what?
Yes, Sri Lanka. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir. How did you know?
By your name. I follow Sri Lankan players also, right?
Yeah.
I am a big cricket fan, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So I can know that. You see that Linga one? Malinga?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That's how I just guessed you might be from that place. Yes. So I am also from India. We are too close, right? So when you visit your country, or
Yeah.
you are permanently settled in UK?
Like we sometimes like visit the country in
Yes,
summer holidays.
exactly. Very good, correct. See, so first of all, what I have done, I have written your name. Okay, in capital, in everything, I have written that. So what I
Yeah.
will do, I will come down. Then what I will do, I will now make some. I will now make some small thing. Okay, so first of all, I will use a H3 tag. Okay, little bit smaller. Oh, sorry. I will use a H3 tag, and inside this H3 tag, what I will do, I will try to write your. I will give a brief introduction about you. Okay, like this, correct? So I will go inside this and I will write slash S3. Okay, so you see, it is little bit smaller as compared to this one, right? And in
Yeah.
that introduction part, I will write something about you. Okay. So you tell me about yourself.
I'm in year 8.
Yes.
I live in the UK where it's very rainy. I like coding and
I like coding and sports, right?
yeah.
Yes. Which is your favorite sports?
Sorry, sir.
Which is your favorite sports?
Cricket and hockey.
Very good. I thought you will be telling soccer. Most yes. Because most of my students, if I will ask them which is your favorite sports, they will tell soccer or basketball because these
Wow.
things are played a lot in Western countries. Like so,
I'm
you're
also
most
very
of
good at shot put.
yes, very good, super. Okay, so we will write this much. Just I want to show you how we can create a page, right? So you
Yeah.
see, we have first of all we have created H1 tag, then we have created an H3 tag, then we have created a paragraph tag, right?
Yeah.
But it is not looking like a good page, right? So what we will do, we will try to apply some interesting things to them. Okay, so what I
Okay.
will do, I will first of all try to bring it to the center. Okay, what I can do, I will first of all try to bring it to the center, and
Yeah.
also I will try to underline it. Okay, So
Okay.
it will be taught in some next classes, but I will be teaching you today. So to
Okay.
underline, you have to use a U tag. Okay, what you have to use? You have to
You
use
tag.
a U tag like this. And U tag is a paired tag. Okay, so always try to give a slash U. Otherwise, everything will come under this U. Okay.
Okay.
Then how to bring it to the center? So for that, there is a center tag. Okay, you can use a center tag.
Okay.
So it will come directly to the center. Okay, like this. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So either you can use this inside a center tag, or there are some other thing also. We will not discuss them. Okay. Also,
Okay.
let us just use this underline to for this introduction part also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Correct. Understood. So now I am having your introduction. I have written something about this. Now let's give some color to them. Okay. So how to give color? Okay. So you see, first of all, I will give a color to the whole page. Okay. So how I
Okay.
will give the color? I will write body. I will come here and I will write background color
Isn't
is
that in
equal to,
CSS?
no. I am not trying to use CSS right now. Okay. I am
Okay.
trying to use simple things. So let's see whether it is happen. It will happen or not. No. So I have to use the CSS. So I have to write style. Okay, I have to write style is equal to. Then I have to give a double quote, and I will give a semicolon, and I will end it here.
You didn't put
Sorry, sorry. Yes.
nice.
Now it is in yellow color. Can you see that?
Yeah.
It is quite bright, right? Let me give some light color. Then I have to write cyan. Okay, cyan is a good color. It is a light color, and you will like that. Yes. Okay, like this. Understood? So we can give the color like this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait. Okay, let me just reduce it. Less things are- Okay. Now you see how I have written that. I have to write style. Then I have written background hyphen color. Then give a colon. Then I have written cyan. Okay. Also, you see what we can do. We can give some background color to this one. Okay, like this. Now you see
Okay.
it has got a background color and a text color. Okay. So let's do that quickly. Okay. So what I will do, I will apply multiple styles inside this. Okay. I will write style is equal to double quote. Then I will start adding some tags. Okay. Sorry,
Okay.
some properties. Background color. I will give a dark blue color. So I will write blue. Then I will give a semicolon. Then I will also try to give a color to the text. So I will write color. So whenever you are going to give a color to text, don't write a text color. Okay, simply write color. And there I will apply a red color. Okay, for the convenience. So it will look like this. Okay, can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Then what I will do, I will try to apply these properties also in that H3 tag. Okay, but I will change the color. I will paste it here. I will make the background color as yellow, and I will change the text color as blue. I will interchange it. Okay. So it will look like this. And finally, what I will do, I will give a color to the paragraph. Okay. So paragraph is now in black color. What I will do, I will try to give it a different color. Which is your favorite color?
Green.
Okay, green is your favorite color, right? Correct. So I will write style is equal to double quote. I will give a color to this, and I will write green. So what will happen? It will give a green text color. Okay. So it is visible to you, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in
I can
this
see.
way we can create a web page. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to create a page. Okay. So I will stop my screen share. Okay. I will stop my screen share, and I will ask you to share your screen and open your code pen. Okay.
Yeah. Of course.
Correct. Very good. So you use Windows system, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Good.
Is it better to use Mac?
Yes, sign up. Don't go for Codepen Pro. You have to buy it. Okay. You will be using a free one. Free one. Okay. Try to use Google Chrome. Okay. When you are attending the sessions, try to use Google Chrome. Okay. Because
Okay.
this edge creates a lot of problems sometimes. Okay.
Okay.
You see in the extreme left, you will find a pen option there. Go there and click on that pen. Simply click on that pen, a pen will open. Very good. So first of all, try to change the appearance. Okay, you see where the yes, correct, very good. So what you have to do, you have to create a page about your favorite cricket player. Okay,
Okay.
you can search Google and you have to get some data about that person, and you have to create a page today. Okay. So
Okay.
first of all, write the structure of the HTML. You write them in one line, then give a space, go inside them and press enter. Okay, so that they will
Okay.
be properly aligned. Okay, correct.
Okay. Then what was next, sir? Was it head?
Yes, then there will be two part in this HTML. One will be head and another one will be body. Okay.
Okay.
So your screen is freezing a little bit. Why so? My
I
internet
don't
is
know,
good or
sir.
bad? Let me check. Okay, let me check. There might be some internet issue from my side, right?
Okay.
Let me check. That's okay. Yeah, correct. So you've written the no. Don't write anything inside the head. Head has got only one thing, that is title. Okay, you
All
delete
right.
that.
Okay. Title.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So you go to that untitled one. That at the beginning, just next to the code pen logo, there is an untitled thing written, right?
Yeah.
Click on that and you write session one intro to HTML. You have to keep everything session by session. Okay.
Yeah.
Session one intro to HTML. Correct. Good. Now inside the head we can use a title tag. So now for the timing we will not use that. Okay. When we will be creating some web pages in our offline editor, we will be learning about more about this title. Okay. And
Okay.
what this head can store also we will learn after few days. Okay.
Okay.
So for the time being, just to remember that inside head we can keep a title. Okay. Other than
Okay.
that, we can keep lot of things that we will learn. Okay. In
Okay.
coming classes, we are going to learn those things.
Yes, sir. What next?
Then you have to go inside the body, and first of all, what you have to do, you decrease the CSS part. Yes, correct. So what we will do, you go inside the body. First of all, create a H1 tag and write the
Yeah.
name of your favorite player. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can write MS Dhoni, right? Correct. Very
Yeah.
good. Okay. See, it is the main heading. So why not we will make them all in capital letter? Why we should not write all everything in capital letter, right? Because
Yeah.
it is a what? It is the heading, right? So you write
Yeah.
everything in capital letter. Good.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. After that, what do you have to do? You have to go to Wikipedia and you have to search about something about that person. Okay. So you
Okay.
open a new tab and try to write MS Dhoni Wikipedia. Okay. So you will
Okay.
get all the data about that person, okay, so that you can copy from there and you can paste it here. Okay,
Yeah.
correct. So you will be having 3 sessions a week, right? You click on
Yeah.
that link. Good. Very good.
How much do I copy and paste?
So see, first of all, we will go line by line. Okay, so first
Okay.
of all, you go back to that place.
Back more.
You go back to code pen. You keep this page open. Okay,
Right. Okay.
no, you click on that page. You be in this page. You go
Yeah.
back to your pen. You go back to your code pen. Okay, you keep this page
Okay.
on.
Okay.
So first of all, what we will do, we will try to write about you write about his date of birth. You give and you press enter and write. You press enter and create one more H3 tag. Okay, then you write date of birth.
Right. What's it?
Date of birth means his birthday.
Oh, right. Date of birth.
Yes, capital letter. Yeah? Or heading should be written in capital letter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Then you have to write a paragraph and you have to write the exact date of birth of MS Dhoni. You can find that in Google, in that Wikipedia. Okay. You go to
Okay.
Wikipedia, you will find when he was born. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
P tag, right? You don't need ending.
No, P tag don't need an ending. But if for the sake of convenience, we use a P tag. Okay. But don't give a slash with that closing P tag. Okay. You simply keep it simple. You go to that MS Dhoni Wikipedia page, you will find that 7 July 1981. Correct. Good.
Okay.
Correct. Close the P tag. You simply write P.
There is a.
You have to close that. You simply write P.
Oh.
The way you have opened it, you close it like that. Don't use a slash. Simply write P.
Okay.
Good. Good. Very good. Then you come down.
Okay.
No. Be careful. You have to come out of this tag and you have to come out of that and press enter. Then you create one more H3 tag.
Okay.
Now you see how that web page is created. In Wikipedia, you see how they have created that web page. Okay, you go to MS Dhoni Wikipedia page. So you see how they have created this page. See,
Yeah.
you have to create it like that. Come down, little bit, come down. Wait, you create like this. You like early life and background. You copy that one. Early life and background. Yes.
The whole thing.
No. Copy only the heading one because we will be
Okay.
using that heading. Okay. So we will copy that. Go to your pen and paste it that in the S3 tag. Okay. Very good. Paste it. Good. Very good. Early life and background. You see how it is looking now?
Yeah.
Correct. Now you again go back to that one and create a paragraph and copy everything which is written there. Okay. Only create the first paragraph. No. We will not do that much thing. You only create the first paragraph. Okay. Good. Very good. Copy that. Correct. Go back to your pen, create a paragraph tag and paste it. Understood what to do?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Then we will use only one more thing. After that, we have to apply some colors and we will wind up the class. Okay. So go back to
Okay.
MS Dhoni Wikipedia again.
Oh no.
It's happened. It happened. Don't worry.
Yeah, it's just at the very top of the screen.
Yes. You go to MS Dhoni. Yes, actually, it creates a lot of problem, right? It comes down.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you go to down. You go to the end. You will copy some more thing. Okay. You come down. Scroll a little bit down. Yes, you just copy this international carrier. That's all. International carrier.
The heading.
Yes, heading will be international carrier and paragraph will be that paragraph only. Okay.
Okay.
Create one more heading. Very good. H3, same H3. You continue with that same H3. Okay. No, no, no. You have to use the tag, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, wait. Yes. Paste.
Okay.
Very good. Now you come down, press enter. Then you go to that one. Yes. Go inside that. Go to that Wikipedia page. Copy the first paragraph. That's all. Only it is only paragraph, right? Correct.
Yeah.
Copy that. Paste it there. Okay. That's all. So we can create our web page like this. Okay. Good, very good. So now we have created structure of this web page. So what we will do now, we will try to give some heading. Okay. So go to the first
Okay.
H1 and try to underline this. So don't use color today because for color we have got a special class. So I just gave you a hint. Don't use color today. Okay. Try to keep it like this because you have to see, you have to load this page. Okay. So there will be
Okay.
some, there might be some problem. So you have to write /u. Otherwise everything will be inside that heading. Okay. Good,
Yeah.
very good. And you can use that center tag which I told. Just before that you apply a center tag so that MS Dhoni will go to the center. Okay. CENTER. And /center also you have to give just after that /u. Correct. Very good. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So this
Yeah.
is the web page. Okay. Also try to underline that date of birth, early life and background, international career, all these things you have to underline them. Okay. Use that U tag /u tag.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Sir, what's that noise, sir? I hear some bloop bloop noise.
Where you are fine, you are hearing some bloop noise,
Yeah.
but there is no noise in this in my room.
Right
What
on.
type of noise you are finding?
It's like bloop bloop bloop.
Bloop bloop. But I am
Yeah.
not doing anything. Yes. Okay, we are on the verge of ending the session. Not don't worry. Okay, I will check that. But is it still coming?
Sorry.
Is it still coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me check.
Ah, okay. Done, sir.
Okay, now is it coming?
No,
Hello.
no. Yeah, it's
Okay.
not
Okay.
coming in.
Okay, so this was about today's session. So tell me, to the sun, what you
Yeah.
have learned today? What new things you have learned and what all things you learned today? You have to tell me. Okay. With this, we will conclude today's session, and we will be again meeting after day after tomorrow, right? On Wednesday.
Yeah.
Correct. Very
So
good. So tell me.
I learned how to use the U tag. I didn't know that you could actually put color in the HTML and do it that way.
Okay.
I thought
Okay.
you could only
Okay.
do it in CSS.
Yes. Yes. Great. Great.
I also learned how to center the text.
Correct.
Um, I also learned to, what's it? To lay
Also
it
we
out
learned
since it's getting
also
boring.
we have learned about the structure of HTML, right?
Yeah,
And
that's what. Yeah,
HTML comes with a head tag and a body tag. Okay, inside the head we basically keep the title of the page, and inside the body we will use all other tags. Also I told you about how many types of tags are there, right? One is
yeah,
known as a pair tag and another one is known as singular tag. Okay,
yeah.
in
Okay.
pair tag we basically have a closing tag, and that closing tag contains a slash, right? But in single tag we don't have a closing tag. Okay, there will be no closing tag. Okay, can you give me some name of a single tag?
IMG tag.
Singular tag. I told you two types of tags are there, right? So
Yeah,
you know a lot of tags which are paired, but can you give
yeah.
me name
IMG
of IMG? What else?
P tag.
Paragraph is also a single tag. There is one more tag, we call it BR tag. BR tag means line break. It will create a
Okay,
gap between paragraphs. It will create gap anywhere. Okay. If you want
okay.
to create, if you are pasting 4 images and if you want to create gap between those 4 images, you can also do that. Okay.
Okay.
So in this way, we can use the BR tag, we can use the IMG tag for the pairing. Understood? So this is what
Yeah.
about today's session, and in next coming session, we will be learning some more interesting tag properties. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt from today's session you want to ask?
Is there any homework, sir?
Yes, there is a homework. So what you have to do, you have to create a web page about your school in your higher secondary school. Okay.
Sorry, sir, I didn't really hear you.
You have to create a web page about your school, the school
Oh,
where you are currently studying. You have to create
right.
a web page about your school. Okay, like this. First of
Okay,
all, you have
right.
to
So,
write the name of the school, then you have to write the year of establishment, then you have to write how many classes are there. You have to create a big web page. Okay, it will be containing lot of things. Okay.
okay.
Good, very good. Try to complete that. We will be meeting again on Wednesday, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. So bye bye. Take care.
Sir, bye.
You can stop your screen share. Yeah. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.